Hey everybody, it's Lon Seib. It's time for another unboxing. We got in another laptop on loan from Lenovo. This is the Ideapad Slim 7. This is the Intel version that has a 1035 G1 processor, but it also has an Nvidia GPU, the MX350. This is a 14-inch laptop, kind of on the slimmer and lighter side of things. And we'll have a full review of this coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. But today we're just going to unbox it. There's also an AMD version of this available, which a lot of people are excited about. But this one will be pretty nice because it does have the discrete MX350 GPU. It's got a nice 1080p display, at least I think it does. We'll find out for sure when we do the full test. And it also has 8 gigs of RAM and I believe a 256 gigabyte SSD. The RAM is not upgradable on this, but you can upgrade the hard drive. This again is 8 gigabytes of DDR4, and we'll test its full performance when we have the full review. There's a good amount of ports on here worth noting. So you have a USB Type-C port here for power. Next to it, you've got HDMI out, and you also have a Thunderbolt 3 port here on the Intel version. I don't think the AMD one has Thunderbolt 3, so that's great to have the discrete GPU and Thunderbolt. Headphone microphone jack here. On the other side, we've got a micro SD card slot and 2 USB 3 slots. The keyboard looks pretty nice on this. It's all metal, by the way, too. It feels really solid. Nice keyboard here. I believe it is backlit as well. So just a nice little machine that should play games pretty nicely, too. 1080p resolution, so that GPU should be able to drive a lot of AAA stuff, probably not at full settings, but close to it. It does not appear to be a touchscreen on this particular version, but some versions tend to have those, so we'll have to see what the configuration options are when we dive a bit further into it. So that's the laptop. Really solid construction here. It feels really good. One last thing to check out, and that is the power adapter, because sometimes these machines with GPUs on board need bigger power, but this one looks like it's pretty run-of-the-mill. So we've got what looks like a 65-watt power supply, USB-C, of course. You can likely charge it on both of those ports, so you can pick and choose which one you want it to go into. And that's it. So we're going to have a full review of this coming up soon on the main channel at lon.tv. Stay tuned for that.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold-level supporters Tom Albrecht, Chris Allegretta, Mike Patterson, and Bill Pomerantz. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.